y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shelby, aka Simply Shelby. Welcome back, or if you're new here, hey, what's up? Welcome. My name is Shelby. Today I'm going to be doing a little Activated You haul. The Activated You team was so kind and sent me some items to try out. They have this new product that they wanted me to try, so I'm really excited to try it out and talk to you about it today. So if you're interested in seeing my little Activated You haul, I would love it if you stick around. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you're feeling the vibes, and turn on post notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's get into it. Okay, so as I mentioned, we got the Activated You little haul that I'm going to be showing y'all. Thank you again to the Activated You team. I do have a code that you can use. I'll put down here where you can save some money on Activated You website. I don't get anything from it. It's just more for y'all to save some money. Love helping y'all save money. But basically, one of the new products is this daily digestive tonic, which I'm really excited to try out. It is supposed to help you with bloating, I guess. I read it on the website. Let me read it really quick because I don't want to give you all false info, and I'll pop it up on the side as well. But basically, it's supposed to help you feel emptied out after bowel movements with less gas and bloating. It's supposed to push out digestive junk, which makes you feel bloated and gassy. So I'm really excited about that, and it's apparently supposed to help your energy levels because it's deep cleaning your gut. So y'all know, if you've been on my Activated You journey or my journey of just trying to find the right product for me to help my gut issues and help my bloating, so I'm really excited to try this. If I like it, I'll definitely try to do a updated review on it because I want to be most honest with y'all and give y'all the most, you know, real reviews that I can give you on the Activated You products. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this. I really hope that it helps. Lately I haven't been taking so much like de-bloating things. I have been taking magnesium instead to just see, but I am excited to see if this is gonna work and see if it's gonna help me, you know, feel de-bloated as it mentions, and kind of clean out that nasty. So this is first new product. The second new product they have is this Immune Complete with zinc, elderberry, and vitamin C. And as it says, as it is, it's immune support complex. So I'm really excited to try this. I always take like immunity pills year-round, vitamin C, whatever it is, any vitamins I can take to help my immune system. You know, after COVID, I feel like everyone was more susceptible to getting sick because we were inside so long and you're like wearing masks and you're being extra cautious. So it's like this, and it's like a little spray bottle, which is kind of interesting. It reminds me of, have you ever seen those like honey sprays that is supposed to help your immune system as well? So this is Immune Complete, just a little spray bottle, spritz it in there daily. So yeah, 8 sprays directly into the mouth once daily. So I'm really excited to try this. I'll probably try this on camera and the de-bloat one as well, just so y'all can see, or maybe I'll eat my lunch then do the de-bloat. But I want to try this out because, you know, I might as well. They also sent me some OG Morning Complete, the OG Morning Complete, which, you know, I'll be using in my daily regimen. But yeah, the OG Morning Complete, it is what it is. It's OG. It's their product that's been around. I like it better than their other like citrus flavor, so that's the OG. We're gonna pop this on here and give this a try because, you know, might as well support my immune system today. How do I do this? Like this, maybe? Okay, 1. And that wasn't supposed to happen. Okay, let's do the last spray. Okay, maybe I'm doing this thing wrong. It tastes pretty good. It tastes like, what is it? Like berries. Oh no, it got on my white shirt. Oh, it tastes like berries. I like this. I'm definitely going to be using this because I need anything I can to support my immune system. So thank you to Activated You for sending me that. Sorry for my little mess up of falling. You know me, I'm kind of clumsy. But yeah, here are the new products. I'm excited to try them out. As I mentioned, I might do a review on this if it is working out for me. I'll like share my results or show y'all what happened after using it. But I hope that y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down your favorite Activated You product if you've tried any from the Activated You. I would love it if you let me know down below. But yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you're feeling the vibes, and turn on post notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.